Meaning of dysfunctional.
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 Dysfunctional. Dysfunctional refers to something that is not working properly or is impaired in its ability to function normally. The result of dysfunction can vary depending on the context, but typically involves some degree of negative impact on the affected system or individual. For example, a dysfunctional family may struggle with communication, emotional regulation, or conflict resolution, leading to ongoing tension and stress for its members. In a workplace, dysfunction might result in poor productivity, low morale, or high turnover rates among employees. Overall, dysfunction tends to produce outcomes that are suboptimal or harmful in some way.